And now we're moving into the US market, and the Touchpoint Group Banking App Awards for 2023 Best Overall App for the US Tier 1 banks. Last year, Tony Patrick, that was a clean sweep to US Bank, I believe. So it's going to be really interesting to see how the rest have tried to catch up.
Yes, definitely. So let's have a look. So let's jump in straight away and have a look at the nominees. Now, when I say nominees, these are our top 3 across the past 12 months. And just to be clear, this is actually what customers are saying. It's not our opinion, and this is the app in the wild and the feedback that's coming through for them. So this is what customers are saying. Capital One, Truist, and US Bank are our top 3, but the winner for 2023 is US Bank. So they've done it again compared to last year, and a very good job at that. One of the things I'd like to have a look at is why they've done that. So what we can do is have a quick look at their scores across time. So if we look at US Bank, their scores across time, they're consistently sitting at around between 4.6 and 4.8 out of 5. That is very high. That is one of the highest globally. They're doing a very good job of it. They had a bit of a glitch in April, but that glitch is very minor compared to some others and their movements they're having. So a very positive movement for US Bank, and a very positive thing for them. The likes of Truist and Capital One are picking themselves up, but again, it's US Bank becomes the benchmark for what you should be doing to improve. Now, when I say what are they doing, let's have a look at what they're doing. Why did they get so high, and what's going on with this data? So let's have a look. One of the key things, if we look at US Bank in the blue on the left of these charts, what these are is looking at pain points. So what percentage of the feedback mentions these types of pain points? We're using AI text analytics to categorize these. So clearly across the board, let's look at these one by one. On the left, we have reliability and stability. So is the app working as expected or crashing or whatever? In the case of US Bank, it rarely is. They have only 5.7% of people talking about reliability and stability issues compared to others. So very positive win for them in that reliability and stability topic. If we move across to authentication, we see that they only have 0.9% of their feedback is related to any authentication issues. So very, very low. Below 1% is the benchmark globally about what you should be achieving here. And it's very tough to get there, and they've done a very good job again to get to that point. Let's move across to features and functionality issues. So issues customers are having with the features and certain things the app is attempting to perform. So again, US Bank is number 1 here. They've actually had the lowest level of pain points here at 2.5%. So very positive again, and they're actually doing very well compared to the market here. Let's step across to design and UI. So these types of issues are things like difficulty in doing things and actually using the app as you'd expect. So design and UI issues getting below 3%. So very, very positive. So again, US Bank has swept the board in terms of the overall score, but in terms of these particular topics, they've done very well to keep these pain points low.